Hello viewers, welcome to my new video. This video I'll show how to fix Roblox lost connection to the game server. Please reconnect. Error code 277 channel projection. First open on Play Store. Then search Roblox app. Search on Roblox app. Update your Roblox app if available on Play Store. Tap on Roblox. Click on this icon. Tap on storage. And tap on clear data. Clear all data, click. Then click OK button. Now open on your Roblox app. Error code 277 channel projection problem solved. Thanks for watching full video.